Oh yeah, I got the perfect song for the kids to sing. And all my people that...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching and thank you for also subscribing down below. I love you guys so much. So for today's video, I'm doing a chit chat, get ready with me. And I get asked a lot about how I continue to motivate myself and how I stay focused on what I want to do and just some things that I do for self-care. So I wanted to share those things with you guys while we watch me get ready. I was really just doing my makeup for a video, but I decided why not film it, and there were a lot of people in the house, so that's why I'm doing the voiceover, and I decided to just talk about a topic that you guys wanted to hear, and I did a poll on Instagram, and that's why I am going to be discussing things about motivation and how to stay focused. And to be completely honest, it's a really big challenge for me to actually stay focused with certain things because when I have like a lot of downtime, I kind of get into a rut of being lazy and not wanting to do things. That is the inner Taurus in me coming out. But I like to just find things that I can do to kind of get me through a task. I play a lot of music. I listen to music while I'm like doing my hair or recording a video or editing a video, something like that, just because music is a motivator for me. And when it comes to staying focused, I write a lot. Like, I jot down everything, ideas, tasks, whatever I need to do. I have a planner so I can like map out dates and what's going on when I'm doing this, when I have to go here and there, whatever. But I also just like write down things that I just don't want to forget, like a certain video that I want to record or something that I need to do, errands I need done. I'm always writing something down because I'm very forgetful. So if I don't write it down, I'm gonna forget, and if I forget something, I'm getting off task and I'm no longer focused on whatever it is that I need to do. But another thing about being self-motivated and self-focused, you really have to push yourself. Nobody's there telling you like, hey, this is what you need to do and all that stuff, you know what I mean? Like, you are the one directing your path. So it definitely takes a certain amount of self-discipline to say, hey, this is what I'm gonna do today, this is what needs to get done. It's all a little bit a part of growing up, things I had to learn the hard way. If I want to see results and I want to see things happen, I have to push myself and I have to go out there and make it happen for myself. So for those of you who don't know, I did quit my job in the beginning of this year because I truly and honestly hated it. I was completely unhappy. It was very draining, and through that process I decided that I wanted to change career paths. And if you don't know about that, I will put the link above so you can watch that video to get a better understanding of what I'm about to talk about. So to give you guys an update on that, I did get a new job. I started substituting and I really enjoyed it. I always loved kids and I love working with kids and I like to learn. I'm a big nerd, you know, I have a degree in engineering, so learning is not a problem for me. But throughout that process, I decided that I wanted to go into education and become a teacher. So that is kind of the path that I'm on now, and I did get a job in the school district that I was working for, so I'm super excited. I start work in a couple weeks, and that kind of plays a part in me trying to keep myself focused because I do have a lot more downtime waiting for the school year to start. So I have to, you know, give myself tasks to do and make sure I'm staying on top of my videos, which I don't all the time, but it is okay because it's my channel. This is my journey and my process, and I kind of do what works for me. But in the meantime, this has given me time to really focus on my self-care more and what I want to do and what I like to do, what makes me feel good and what makes me happy, you know, whether it's listening to music, taking a bath, putting a face mask on, you know, going out, getting some ice cream, things of that nature. I just want to do things that ease my mind and take a load off.
Working on 34. Hey, what you looking all pretty for?
For my video that you're interrupting.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Are they gonna see me?
Stop. You're gonna make my eyes water. It's okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to ruin the video.
Stop. Another part of my self-care that I actually learned from going to therapy is all about being in the moment and just taking things as they come, enjoying a laugh, you know, not being so focused on the negatives that's going on, and really just appreciate life for what it is. I think that's been a huge part of my self-care, you know, taking care of myself mentally, because I don't want y'all to think like everything is all fine and dandy and like I don't have issues or problems or stressors, because I do. Life is real, as you guys know. I just recently moved out, you know, I just graduated college. Life is not cheap and I definitely have expensive taste, so it's been like kind of difficult adjusting to my adult life and, you know, paying all of my bills plus more student loans, actually having a full-time job. Like, it's crazy how fast reality hits and you see yourself growing up. But I don't let anything stop me from my goals or doing what I want to do. I just continue to keep myself motivated, and I also like to help others, keep them motivated. I think it just lifts my spirits, helping someone out, encouraging them, or, you know, supporting whatever they want to do in their lives. You know, it's all about balance and being there for each other and just being thankful and grateful for all you have, because things could definitely be worse. But this is my finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.